Aloha, my friends. Billy Wiggly here with another Excel keyboard shortcut from the Garden Island, Kauai, Hawaii. Today we are right by the Wailua River. This is the only navigable river in all of Hawaii. What can we learn from the boats navigating on this river? Well, what is it that they do if they just want to stay in one spot? That's right, they anchor their boat. And in Excel, when doing cell referencing, we press F4 to anchor. Check it out. Write down your formula, grab the autofill handle, copy your formula down. You'll notice you'll have an error. The way to fix it is to make an absolute reference. Select the cell reference you want to anchor, press F4, bam! There you have it. Problem solved. Copy your formula all the way down and celebrate. Remember, my friend, don't get mad, get skills. Aloha.